Hi friends. Welcome to my channel. In this video we will discuss network security in AWS. Please subscribe to motivate me to bring up more contents on AWS. Amazon Web Services, AWS, provides a comprehensive set of tools and services to help you secure your network infrastructure. Network security in AWS involves protecting your data, applications, and resources from unauthorized access, attacks, and other potential threats. Here are some key aspects of AWS network security. Virtual Private Cloud, VPC. A VPC is a logically isolated section of the AWS cloud where you can launch AWS resources in a virtual network that you define. It acts as your own private data center in the cloud. Use separate VPCs for different environments, e.g., production, development, testing, to maintain isolation. Security groups. Security groups act as virtual firewalls for your instances to control inbound and outbound traffic. You can define rules to allow or deny traffic based on protocols, ports, and IP addresses. Network Access Control Lists, ACLs. ACLs are stateless and operate at the subnet level. They are an additional layer of security that controls traffic in and out of subnets. Use ACLs to provide finer-grained control over traffic. Private and public subnets. Design your VPC with private and public subnets to control access to resources. Keep sensitive resources in private subnets and use Network Address Translation, NAT, gateways for Internet access. NAT gateways and NAT instances. NAT gateways and instances allow private subnets to initiate outbound traffic to the Internet while preventing inbound traffic initiated from the Internet. NAT gateways are managed and highly available, while NAT instances require manual configuration. Virtual Private Network, VPN, and Direct Connect. Use VPNs or AWS Direct Connect for secure connections between your on-premises network and your VPC. This ensures a secure and dedicated connection to your AWS resources. Web Application Firewall, WAF. AWS WAF helps protect web applications from common web exploits by allowing you to configure rules to filter malicious traffic. DDoS Protection. AWS provides DDoS protection services to help mitigate distributed denial of service attacks. Amazon Guard Duty. Guard Duty is a managed threat detection service that continuously monitors for malicious activity and unauthorized behavior in your AWS accounts. Security Logging and Monitoring. Enable AWS CloudTrail to log all API calls made on your account. Use Amazon CloudWatch for monitoring and setting up alarms for unusual activity. Identity and Access Management, IAM. Implement least privilege principles using IAM to control who can access your AWS resources and what actions they can perform. Encryption. Use AWS Key Management Service, KMS, to manage encryption keys. Enable encryption for data at rest and in transit. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to motivate me to bring up more contents on AWS.